Congress MP Shashi Tharoor's post on Twitter is being slammed for being sexist. Tharoor's tweet, his selfie with 6 women MPs cutting across party lines during the winter session of the parliament, is now grabbing eyeballs. In the viral tweet, Tharoor captioned the post as, and I quote, "Who says the Lok Sabha is not an attractive place to work?" unquote. Tharoor is in the photo is seen with Supriya Sule, Praneeth Kaur, Nusrat Jahan, Mimi Chakraborty, Tamizad Chachi and Jyothi Mani. Several verified handles calling out Tharoor, asking if women MPs are just for glamour and attractiveness. Meanwhile, after facing severe backlash, Tharoor apologized and said it was done in good humor. Kamaljeet is now joining us live for the latest. Kamaljeet, what prompted Shashi Tharoor to put out this particular tweet? Do we have a reaction from him? Because, he's actually reduced women to their attractiveness in the parliament and not for the actual work that they really stand for. And I say this as a woman.
Oh, well, yes, he did tweet and he says, "Who says the Lok Sabha isn't an attractive place to work?" with 6 of my fellow MPs. So now, since he's tweeted this particular at around 11:41, a lot of adverse reactions have been coming into that particular tweet. Now, it can be seen that Shashi Tharoor as an MP is smiling with several of the other tweets. Mimi Chakraborty is the one who seems to have taken that selfie, along with Nusrat Jahan, who's seen in the picture along with the other MPs, Supriya Sule, Praneeth Kaur. What is also specific is that he subsequently tweeted that he did not wish to hurt any of those people, that it was taken in a lighter jest, whatever that meaning was. However, since the parliament is in session, perhaps that smiling picture could have been a takeaway as to how things are as far as camaraderie is concerned. But several of the other people have called this an unethical tweet of sorts, saying, calling the tweet, calling women attractive or a place attractive because of women speaks of bias. And that is how things have been taken. And
right. Hold on for a second. Shehzad Poonawalla is now joining us on the phone line. Shehzad, Shashi Tharoor has put out a tweet saying, "Who says Lok Sabha is not an attractive place to work?" with 6 of my fellow MPs this morning. He's tagged those women as well. As a woman, I, of course, find it sexist because you are reducing a woman to her attractiveness rather than the actual work that she's doing. How do you respond to this tweet?
You know, Chaiti, I actually want to agree with you that a large amount of people will feel very discomforted by the attempt by Mr. Tharoor. I think it must be an innocuous or maybe a subconscious attempt. But indeed, he has reduced women, and particularly our women MPs, who contribute a great deal in the nation-building process, just to their looks. And I think no woman in this country should be reduced to her looks, because women do far more than looking just pretty or handling the kitchen or any other activities that a patriarchal thought process might want to reduce them to. And therefore, I think Mr. Tharoor, I hope, is not reflecting a larger mindset of patriarchy that happens to prevail within his party, because on the one hand, Priyanka Vajra says, "Ladki hu lad sakti hu," but on the other hand, you know, in Rajasthan, the minister in Rajasthan was recently appointed, compared the rules to Katrina Kaif's chief, and no action was taken on that particular minister. In Rajasthan, you're seeing the number of rapes that have come up, especially of minor children. You've seen in Maharashtra, there's
Shehzad, we are seeing this kind of behavior and sexist behavior across party lines as well. Shouldn't this stop, given the fact that this just goes on to expose the deep-seated sexist mindset that many netas, and they are the ones running the country today, have?
Absolutely. I think this is a mindset that especially members of parliament like Dr. Tharoor should be very careful about rejecting and being forthright against. Unfortunately, he's depicted that the Congress party, in a sense, allows this kind of mindset to prevail, and I hope that not only does he delete this tweet and apologize for it, but the larger issues of women atrocities that are taking place across the country, particularly in Congress-ruled states, well, the Congress party doesn't take politics on it and actually takes action on it, because otherwise it will seem that for them, women atrocities and women empowerment is only a political slogan, not an actual issue that they want to work on.
I appreciate you joining us with that viewpoint right there, Shehzad. Thanks so much for joining us. Shehzad Poonawalla, BJP spokesperson, his first up reaction on the tweet that has been put out by Shashi Tharoor. Many verified Twitter handles taking on this particular tweet, calling it rather sexist of Shashi Tharoor. But he's gone ahead and put out another tweet. He says the whole selfie thing was done at the Women MPs initiative in great humor, and it was they who asked me to tweet in the same spirit. He further goes on to say, I'm sorry some people are offended, but I was happy to be roped into this show of workplace camaraderie. That's all this is, unquote. That's what he says. But the damage was already done, because he equated women in the workplace and an attractive place to work with being surrounded by women. And there are many women who have taken offense to this, calling this outrightly sexist comment coming in from Shashi Tharoor. Shashi Tharoor has gone ahead and said, who says Lok Sabha is not an attractive place to work, with 6 of my fellow MPs this morning, and he tagged the 6 MPs who are all women. Many have called this sexist mindset by Shashi Tharoor, and he's been called out, slammed on Twitter for this particular sexist mindset. We'll get you more reactions as we go along the way, but this photograph that he's put out is now gone viral for all the wrong reasons, because many women are now taking offense to this. They are objecting to reducing women to objects of attractiveness, and that is something that they are not finding cool at all at this point of time, and especially an MP putting out a tweet like that, equating women for their glamour rather than the actual work that they end up doing.